Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Asian stock market trades mixed despite 1.8% gains of ASX 200 http ntvforex.com news ID 88F0C3 3 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Asian shares wobble near multi-month high amid mixed signals. Sino-American tussle join fears of further delay in U.S. stimulus to combat vaccine hopes, upbeat U.S. data. Aussie GDP marked the biggest quarterly fall. RBNZA S or Nboha S Wakatabi shows readiness to ease further if needed. US ADP employment change will be the key data to watch today. Asian equities remain clueless while heading into Wednesday AS European Open. While portraying the same, the MSCI index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan drops 0.11% but Japanese Nikkei 225 gains near 0.30% to 23,200 by the press time. Further, Australia's ASX 200 surged to the intraday high of 6,075, currently up 1.75% to 6,054. Even as Aussie GDP marked the record quarterly slump of 7.0%. On the same note, NZX 50 also marks 0.70% gains despite the RBNZ Governor Adrian Ara's offer to use unconventional monetary policy tools. The reason for the New Zealand market optimism could be traced from the central bank's comments suggesting no concerns with the recently high exchange rates. Moving on. Stocks in China and Hong Kong print losses around 0.50% as the U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo marked Cold War conditions. Also weighing on the market's risk tone could be the comments from U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi suggesting a serious differences over the coronavirus COVID-19 aid package. On the other hand, news that AstraZeneca begins the final phase of the COVID-19 vaccine trials and a notable spike in the U.S.'s manufacturing PMI helped build the market mood. As a result, the U.S. dollar index DXY extends the previous DIA's recovery moves from May 2018 lows while the S&P 500 futures also rise around 0.30% to 3,536. It should be noted that the comments by BOJ Deputy Governor Masazumi NBSP Wakatabi NBSP join uncertainty over Japanese leadership to also affect the market sentiment. Furthermore, the Bank Indonesia's buy intervention Kana T propel the IDX composite whereas South Korea's Kospi and India's BSE Sensex remain mildly offered by the press time. Looking forward, market players will wait for the early signals for Friday's key U.S. non-farm payrolls NFP, the ADP employment change, expected 950K versus 167K prior, for fresh impetus. Read NBSP ADP employment change and initial jobless claims preview. Hope is not change. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.